To see the world through fresh eyes, gaining new insights and old wisdoms. This is why we're doing what we do, and this is what drives us to see the world. It shows us what life once was and how it can be. It highlights the connection that can be found within community. It shows us how we can live and work with nature rather than trying to control it, and reminds us to appreciate where our food comes from, and demonstrates the simple joys of music and dance. It reminds us what's important in life and what we can do without, and how we can stay present. This is just what we found in the heart of the Solomon Islands, in Karamulan Village.
This is the story of a sailboat named Sylvia and the ragtag crew that call her home. Join us each week as we explore our planet, both above and below the surface, and find out what it's really like to live a life at sea. This is Expedition Drenched.
After anchoring nestled away in this idyllic group of islands, Raymond, the chief of the neighboring village, invited us to come to shore and welcomed us to tour his village.
It smells like vanilla. It's so good.
What's the name of your village?
My name of my village is Karomolun,
How many people live here?
228.
And you're the chief, yeah?
Yes, I'm the chief.
What do you guys like to do in your village if you're not working on your houses or taking care of stuff?
I would just go diving and all sorts of stuff. Yeah, singing, diving. So that's when you have the free time.
What's your favorite thing about the island that you live on?
My favorite thing is for dancing and for fishing.
What's special about your reef?
This has been under the conservation. We have conserved it for 5 years.
So no fishing on that?
No fishing, no any other methods of no any different what the methods of fishing is allowed here.
Yeah.
No.
You can tell too.
Yes.
Amazing.
That's it.
Really.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, well, you have a beautiful village, one of the best scuba dives we've had in Solomon's. And we thank you for being so kind and welcoming us.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Kindergarten. Small kids come here to school to learn. I have 20 small kids here on the one full week, from Monday to Fridays.
Okay.
Monday to Friday. It's only 1 hour. The primary school down over there. So all our kids, look at them here, they will be down here. Only 20 of them come. Secondary high schools, here too, 2 of them. From the primary, they will go along to secondary schools.
What do you think, teacher?
Oh, imagine being able to teach in the open air. Like, that's for me, it's paradise. You can do field trips every day, you can learn, you know, everything around you. I think it's great. Fresh air.
Imagine they don't even know like inside, you know, this is their normal.
I think they will feel trapped in a regular school. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Venus is having the best time of her life.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
What is this? Fish?
Yes, fish.
There's a Church of Melanesians, it's an Anglican church. Originally we are the Church of England, UK. The first ministers landed here in 1805. So we do come service twice a day in the morning, every day in the morning. 5 o'clock the bell rings up, then everybody have to rush up. 6 o'clock come for service. Everybody, kids here, you have to come attend the service every day. 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the evening. That's what it is.
Even today?
Even today in the morning.
Because you were up until, I heard you guys singing till like midnight. They were up late singing, and then they got up early for church, so we will leave them to rest. And I have to go clean the boat anyway, so it's all good. But we want to thank you, Chief Raymond.
Yes, thank you very much.
Yes, and we will, hopefully we will meet again when we come back through, okay?
Thank you so much
you.
for showing us around.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain.
What's going on, Pat?
Well, it's a little bit of a chaos. There are kids everywhere.
Yeah, how many kids are on the boat right now?
We've got 5 kids on the boat. We have got another 15 probably really wanting to get on the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, and we got 3 more just simply swimming out here now.
It's Kid Vision! Hello, hello, hello! We have some visitors.
Hey! Hey, Nikki, what's up? I know them. I spent the afternoon at the village. I know all of these kids. Yeah. I know whose brothers, whose sisters, whose cousins. They're all cousins. You know all the gossip. Yeah. I know all of them.
Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond.
It is a beautiful sunrise, and we are about to do our third dive at the same dive spot. Chief Raymond, the north end of his island, about 5 years ago, they decided to make it their own little marine preserve, so they haven't been fishing it. And let me tell you, you can definitely see the difference. The amount of sea life is amazing here. So it just seems like there's a bunch of sharks boosting it around. There's barracuda, huge schools of fish, and yeah, it's really cool of him to like see that, you know, like to have that mindset that this is going to be like an amazing snorkel and dive destination. I got Team Awesome with me today. I've got Jordan, and Emily's going to be my critter finder because I'm on macro duty. And then Oceano's so sweet. She woke up to be our getaway driver. Thanks, Ocean. You got your book? You got your book. So, all right, let's go underwater. Next week on Expedition Drenched, we dive the most iconic dive site in the Solomon Islands, Leroux Cut, a 100-meter chasm that cuts deep into the land.
Peanuts?
friend. Do you want to come live on the boat with us too?
Best friends that anybody could have.
Little girl now is gonna say goodbye and gonna put it on the beach where I hope she's gonna live a long, long life.
They are crazy. I could never do that. I'm not like a morning person, and they literally woke up and put their gear on and went into the water.